if you have seen this message at your FYP, this is the side for you. Spirit guides were telling me to send this message to you. At ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo na magabay mo. Okay, so someone here cannot decide whether ibibigay niya sa'yo tong connection na to or hindi. Kasi parang sa nakikita ko dito, you really want this person in your life. However, may mga situations sa life ng dalawa na hindi kayo nagtutugma or maaring there's a big chances na hindi pa siya handa kung ano man yung hinihingi mo sa kanya. So, your person is refusing to talk about it. And hindi siya sure. Pero gusto niya ng I'm thinking here that your person came from a very tragic